Hey guys, I'm Jamie and this is my sister.
Hi, I'm Paige and this is my kitchen.
I'm the owner of DeerBunny Farm and we make goat milk soap. We're going to show you how. Okay, so today we are going to make my personal favorite, which is country cucumber. And this soap is a goat milk soap that we add in French green clay, which is this. And the first thing that we're gonna do before we get started making the actual soap batter is I'm gonna take my fragrance oils right here and mix them in with the clay. Really yucky and strange right now because we're basically making mud, but it'll be lovely in the soap. Next up, I've got my big bucket. We're gonna start by putting in our oils. So these oils have already been blended. This is a recipe I formulated out of coconut oil, sunflower oil, canola oil, and palm oil. The palm oil is a new oil for me. I hadn't used it because palm oil is the reason that the rainforests are dying, but then I found a local provider of sustainable palm oil. Which is farmed, and actually the proceeds go to preserve the rainforest, which is really cool. We're gonna add our milk next. So goat milk is super high in vitamin A and vitamin Bs. It's also super nourishing because of all the milk fat, and it's really high in selenium. And selenium is the coolest part, I think, because selenium is the mineral that's responsible for your skin repairing itself against sun damage, and all of the US is selenium deficient. All right, next we are going to add our lye water. This is the part that is dangerous, that scares a lot of people about making soaps from
the reason you're wearing
scratch,
gloves.
and it's the reason that I'm wearing gloves. All right, we're gonna start adding our clay and our fragrance. So all of my fragrances that I use are phthalate free. Phthalates are the ingredient in so many cosmetics that have fragrances that are actually shown to be cancer causing, and I don't want y'all to get cancer, and I don't want to get cancer either. So
this soap is interesting because it has green clay in it, which is known to tighten pores, exfoliate dead skin, so it reveals a smoother and fresher complexion. It can also clear problem skin and heal blemishes, which I have a lot of blemishes.
Yeah.
And so detoxifying soaps like this are really cool.
yeah, this is really, the green clay is really similar to the benefits that you would get from activated charcoal. Now that is a very simple, quick and easy soap. It's really fresh. It's a little sweet, but keeping with a more natural base. And the difference that the clay makes in the recipe is really huge. This is my trusty mold. I got this mold from Lancaster Soap Company, I believe is the name. It's called the One Mold, and I use this almost exclusively. It's easier to use. It's my favorite that I've ever found. So we're gonna pour. Part about these molds is these cool little inserts. So these divide my bars up perfectly, and then when it's ready to unmold tomorrow, they all slide out, and then each of these ends up making 10 bars. I'm going to texturize the top. It makes it look a little fancier and less basic. I kind of like it a simpler bar for myself, and this is kind of the bar that I make for myself. So. And now I'm gonna stick this in the fridge.
Cool, it smells like cucumbers in here.
It does, it smells like cucumbers. We're gonna stick this in the fridge and wait until tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll unmold it and cut it for you. Okay, we're gonna start unmolding our country cucumber soap. It looks beautiful and it smells awesome. Next up, we've got to cut them. Okay, this is our multi-bar cutter. It uses guitar strings and cuts 10 bars at a time.
Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to buy any of the soaps in our videos, check out our website, our Facebook, our Instagram. We're DeerBunny Farm. We also have a Pinterest. And like and subscribe.